ladies and gentlemen, today we are here to listen to a debate between side opposition and side proposition. Between a side that kept going back and forth into saying that juries are vital and saying that we don't need juries, and a side that clearly stated that juries are hurting the legal, the justice system, and that this jury system is something that should be abolished, and that we believe we clearly proved that this is the right decision to make. So, but concerning the opposition side, they first stated that they first spoke about control power and corruption, and stated that we don't hold corruption as being something important. We said that corruption is an issue that we think is serious, and that's why we want more than 5 judges, more than 1 judge. That's why we're suggesting to have five judges, so it is harder for people to corrupt them. That's why we don't believe in centralized power. That's why we want more than we want more than one person to be in charge of the future legal situation of these people. They also spoke concerning the centralized power point that they have raised. They're saying that we have 5 people who. They're saying that the more people we have, the more democratic it will be. That the more people we have, the better it will be. Well, we want 5 people who are experienced, and we're suggesting to have 5 people who are experienced. We're not suggesting to reduce the number of juries. This is very important. They also spoke about they also said that the more people we have in a court, the more democracy we will have. I want to ask here: is this relevant? The more people, having more people in the court doesn't mean that we have more democracy. Just suppose that we have 1,000 people in a place that belong all to the same party. They all represent the same ideology, let's say, and they're not relevant to democracy. On our side, however, we are stating that juries should be abolished because they are inexperienced people. They are not familiar with the law. We brought in several relevant examples which team opposition has failed to do. We also stated that juries are biased, and this is something that team opposition kept on not answering, because they kept saying that that judges can be biased as well. We kept saying that judges are experienced people, trained people who have been trained to leave their personal bias aside, and to even more reduce this chance that they can involve their personal values in their judging. We're suggesting to have more than 1 judge. We're suggesting to have 5 judges, so we can have a more let's say rational and objective judgments. We also stated something that the team opposition has been completely misinforming you about, is that juries are picked up by lawyers to fit their case. We're stating this, and we're sure of what we're saying. Juries are picking up their lawyers. Juries are picked up by lawyers to fit their case. They have this, no matter how small amount of time, to choose whether they fit what they believe or not. And therefore, ladies and gentlemen, this is why we believe that Team Morocco has won the debate for all the points. Team opposition has failed to answer. Thank you.